Hey friends, I'm Shelly. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I make weekly videos for moms and homemakers. In today's video, I'll be decluttering, cleaning, and organizing my pantry. I have a small pantry, but it definitely needs some organizing, as you can see. I bought all the things that I need to organize it from Amazon and from Dollarama. So I'm just going to get started by taking everything out of my pantry. I was putting everything out on my dining table, and you'll see in a few seconds, I only got through the first two shelves because my dining table had gotten so crammed with all the stuff. So I'm just starting with the first two shelves, and then when I get down to the third shelf, I'll start putting things on the floor and organizing it down there. Here I am making a big old mess. I'm super clumsy. So I'm just using my Dyson V6 to vacuum out all the crumbs over here. Is anyone else ready to get their spring cleaning on? Let me know in the comments down below. I know it's not spring yet, but for some reason I just got the bug. I'm ready to just declutter my whole house, so get ready for a few videos coming up on that. I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day all-purpose spray in the scent Basil. I use these all the time in my cleaning and decluttering videos. I love how the scent just like lingers after you use it. So I'll just give these all a wipe down, and then I will get to sorting out all of the products in here and putting them into jars and different cases. This riser I got on Amazon. It was only $10, and it's the 15-inch, and it fit perfect on this side of my pantry. I don't have too many canned goods, so it was like the perfect size to get everything nice and organized in here. Now I'm just going through my husband's workout products and supplements, and I'm just checking the expiry dates on them. So I had these containers, well, just this one container from before, and that's what I used to keep my flour in. I'm not a baker, but when my mom visits, she uses it quite often. So I already had the jar for the all-purpose flour. I just went and I bought a whole bunch more to fit all the other types of baking things inside my cupboard. Honestly, so satisfying for me to watch. So I have a hack for you. If you are putting things like rice and things that have instructions on them, just cut the instructions out after you've put them in the canister, and then tape them on so you remember exactly how much to use for everything, and you can revert back to it when you're cooking these products. Now I'm just writing out the labels. I bought these little chalkboard labels at Dollarama. I got 18 for $1, and I already had the chalk marker. Put the jars back into the pantry. I really like how this turned out. I didn't even try to get all those labels in the same spot, but they lined up really nicely. And now I'm just putting back all of my husband's supplements. And I'm testing out the door to make sure it closes for these two bins that I bought. I bought these Lazy Susans also on Amazon. These are the 9-inch style. When I measured the inside of my pantry, I had 12 inches, so I went with the smaller one. I got 2 for $23, and then I got a third one as an add-on, and that one cost me about $6. So on the first Lazy Susan, I put all of my oils. The second one, I put all my vinegars. And then the third one, I put all of my sauces and dressings. This bottom shelf had a whole bunch of beer and drinks on it, and we're not really big beer drinkers in our house. So I was just going to organize these, make them look all pretty, and then save them for, I guess, the summertime when we go up north. Watching all of these beers line up is oddly satisfying for me as well. You'll see I give a little smirk at the end when I realize that I had a full 2-4. Is what I use to make what I call, well, what me and my friends call porch crawlers. It's a drink that we drink when we go up to the cottage up north in the summertime. And it's a porch crawler because it has so much alcohol in it that you'll be crawling home to your porch. I'll make a video on it sooner or later to let you know how to make that recipe. I really like how this all came out. This is the finished product. Everything looks so neat and organized. All the labels are facing the right way so I can see everything that I have. I probably won't be having too many expired products anymore in here. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you thought of the video. Please follow me on Instagram. My handle is on the screen at mrs.shelly.shoosh. And I will catch up with you guys next week in a new video. Bye!